Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa mga video na i-upload ko sa aming YouTube channel.
Ito, ikatlo naman. I noticed that the senior ID number displayed on my eGov.ph digital ID is different from the number on my physical senior citizen card issued by the OSCA of our LGU. Maaari po ba akong humingi ng i-synchronize ang aking records?
Yung ating pong digital national ID ay nag-generate po yan pagka po tayo kapag register na sa national ID. So ito po yung digital format. Yung ating pong senior citizens po, I think is ibang ID po kasi siya. Hindi po siya kasama doon sa generation po ng ating digital national ID. But we have earlier discussed po no, na yung long-term plan, hopefully po, para po synchronize po lahat yung ating ID system.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.